How to check two-factor verification on WhatsApp. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check two-step verification on WhatsApp. To do so, first of all, you will need to open your WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Here, make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the top right, you will be able to see three dots. Tap on those three dots and from this drop down, here select settings. This will take you to your settings page. Here on the very top, you'll be able to see account option. Tap on account and inside it, you'll be able to see two-step verification option, which is just below email address option. Once you find two-step verification option, tap on it to open it. And once it opens, here you'll be able to see if you have added two-step verification on WhatsApp or not. If not, you will see this turn on button at the very bottom. Now to turn it on, you just simply have to tap on turn on and then create a 6-digit PIN that you can remember. After that, you will need to enter the PIN once again to confirm. And once you enter your PIN, tap on the save button at the very bottom. Now you will need to add your email to verify in case you forgot your PIN. You can tap on add email and in this box now add your email address. After adding the email address, tap on this next button right here and then a 6-digit code will be sent to your email address. Now you will need to enter the 6-digit code sent to your email address in this field and then tap on verify at the bottom. After that, you will be able to add two-step verification on WhatsApp. So by following these steps, you should be able to check two-step verification on WhatsApp. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.